If we use a grouping variable such as gender for multi-group analysis, then we have to test invariance test at CFA stage. We can draw default measurement model either by manually or by using pattern metrics and AMOS plugin. Then we can refer model fit and refer modification indices and arrive at modified measurement model. At this stage, we can check for invariance tests such as configural and metrics. First, we will be checking on configural invariance test. For that, we need to click on group names and add groups names as males and females. Then we have to link the data file to both the groups with group variables and grouping values. Then we have to run the model. Then we have to check the model fit, and if the model fit is OK, then it is satisfactory. Then we can arrive that configural invariance test shows adequate goodness of fit when analyzing freely estimated model for males and for females. Then we can move on to metric invariance. In that, we will be seeing if forcing these two groups together is substantial difference than letting its estimates freely. We will be using and comparing chi-square degrees and degrees of freedom for unconstrained or the free model versus fully constrained model. For the free model, or we can refer the previously configural model, the statistics for chi-square and the degrees of freedom statistics are 1905 and 1152. Thereafter, we can use statistical tool package and then go to Excel sheet and refer chi-square degrees, chi-square difference tab and fill the table with chi-square and degrees of freedom, initially for unconstrained or the free model. And we can save and then make fully constrained model. In that, click on latent variable, then go to parameter and then make 1. Then remove 1 in regression lines. Thereafter, use AMOS, then plugins, then name parameters and then tick name regression variables. Then OK and run the model and get the chi-square and degrees of freedoms and fill Excel sheet for fully constrained model. Then here we can refer the p-value. In this case, p-value is insignificant, which is good. However, in case if the p-value is significant, then it's troublesome. In such a case, we have to refer paths and check most different path. For that, we have to refer output and estimates and then standardized regression weights and check for males and females. For that, we may use Excel worksheet. And we can compare standardized regression weights for males and females. In our case, we can identify that the biggest difference is joy 3 item, and we can remove it and see if that fixes the issue. And then we can analyze the validity, and we can refer validity master plugin. For that, we have to use initial model without males and female groups.